Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to access your camera from the lock screen on your Google Pixel. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, tap the gear icon on your home screen to open up your settings menu. This is where you'll configure the gesture that allows quick camera access without unlocking your phone. Once you're in the settings, scroll down until you find the system option and tap on it. The system section contains various device level settings, including the gesture controls we need to modify. Inside the system menu, look for and tap on gestures. This is where Google Pixel stores all the customizable shortcuts and quick actions you can perform with physical buttons or screen movements. Next, tap on double press power button. This specific gesture is what we're going to enable to give you instant access to your camera even when your phone is locked. Now make sure the toggle button next to use double press is turned on or enabled. When this setting is active, it allows you to launch the camera app immediately by double tapping the power button, which is incredibly useful for capturing spontaneous moments without fumbling through your lock screen. With that setting enabled, go ahead and power off your Google Pixel screen by pressing the power button once. This will bring you to your lock screen, which is where we'll test out the new gesture. Now you're on your lock screen. To access the camera from here, simply double tap the power button on the side of your device. You should see the camera app launch instantly, bypassing the need to unlock your phone or swipe to find the camera icon. And that's it. You've successfully enabled quick camera access from your lock screen using the double press power button gesture. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.